Hey guys, how's everybody doing? I hope your spring break was good. I am pleased to report that you guys are getting your work done. Those of you who are not getting your work done, I am taking notes of I have to record everyone who does complete their assignments and who does not complete their assignments. Now I understand it's kind of hard sometimes at home with distractions and availability of computers and things. But if there's ever a problem, you've got to communicate with me. All right? The other thing is, I appreciate all of you who were able to send pictures in to me of your assignment, which was great. But make sure that when you are doing your work, you are numbering your problems. I can't just take a whole page full of work, which is great, but you have to say like, question E, and here's all your work for E. Question F. Here's all your work for F. Okay? With that said, so today we are going to be doing a slightly easier lesson. We're adding mixed numbers and fractions. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to show you the notes, get it all copied, and then we're going to proceed from there. All right? It's actually pretty easy. Let's take a look. Okay. All right. Pause the video. Take your notes. All right. So when we're given these assignments, these questions, they typically write them in a linear fashion. A linear is in a line. I want you to rewrite them to stack. So instead of in a linear, you're going to stack it vertically. Okay? We actually did this in class a little while ago, back when we actually had school. And then you guys remember how to do this, right? You add the fractions, you add the whole number side. But here, you got to remember to adjust. No improper fractions in your answers. So here we have 3 1/4 plus 1/4. Remember, we're always rewriting it in a stacked way. 1/4 plus 1/4 is 2/4. 3 plus nothing is 3. Now we have to look at this 2/4. Is this improper? No. Improper fraction, remember, is when the larger number is in the numerator. You can never have a larger number in a numerator. That's a problem. So you can either leave your answer as 3 2/4, or take a look at 2/4 and realize that that can be reduced to 1/2. If you're a top level math student in your mind, you should be reducing your fractions in your answers. The 5th grade, they're going to really nail you for this, okay? So if in your mind, if you're a top level math student, which I think all of you actually are, which is fantastic, I want to see your answers in reduced form, okay? Now let's take a look over here. 6/8 plus 5 3/8. So I'm going to stack it. I'm going to put 5 3/8 on top plus 6/8. Now, remember when we add fractions, the denominator stays the same. And for all these, guys, today we don't have to worry about changing fractions, changing denominators. So we have 3 plus 6 is 9/8. 5 plus nothing is 5. But 9/8 is a problem. That's improper. So we convert 9/8 into 1 1/8. Then we have to add that to our whole number, and you get 6 1/8. Pretty easy, right? Now, here are 4 problems. Please copy them down and complete them now. All 4 of them. Pause the video, and I'll come back in a minute to discuss the answers. All right, here we go. So we have 7. Whoop, my pen's dead. 7 3/4 plus 1/4. Now, you know me, I like doing this kind of stuff with the lines and keeping it separate. All right, so 3/4 plus 1/4 is 4/4. 7 plus nothing is 7. Take a look at this 3/4. Can I convert that? Yep. So my final answer is going to be 8. Because remember, that's 1 whole. Sorry for my fidgety hands. All right, so let's do this one. 6, 7 over 8 plus 1/8. All right. 7/8 plus 1/8 is 8/8. 6 plus nothing is 6. So that then converts to 7. All right. 2 3/4 plus 2/4. 5/4. 2. So now we've got to convert that. 5/4 actually becomes 1 1/4. We had to because this is improper. The larger number is in the numerator. You can't have that. And now I'm going to add it to my 2. So I get an answer of 3 1/4. And my last one, 3 3/5 plus 3/5. Sorry, it's hard writing holding an iPad at the same time. 6/5. 3. This guy becomes 1 1/5 plus the 3. So my answer is actually 4 1/5. All right. Now, make sure you do your assignments. And I actually have circled some of the problems in your assignment that I would like you to transcribe. That means rewrite onto your Google form so I can check to make sure that you know what's going on. All right. As always, there's a 10 o'clock Zoom meeting. The ID and the password are on our home screen if you need help with anything. Okay? Have a great one. Bye-bye.